Hi everyone, meeting you today for 11th standard. 11th standard derivatives. Let us see which aspect of derivatives we are taking. Since it is the 11th standard, it's just a basic thing of derivatives. Okay, so let's straight away go to the problem. Which formula and how to convert? It was asked in one CET exam. So which formula to use and how to convert that particular sum by taking certain terms in the numerator. Let's go straight ahead. Differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x means find the derivative. This is given. Y is equal to 2 upon root x plus 4 upon x root x plus 6 upon x squared root x. Find the derivative. Now look at the key step. As I had mentioned before, whatever x terms are there in the denominator should be taken in the numerator so as to be converted into a certain formula. Which formula, that we'll see in 2 minutes. First of all, remember certain basic things, laws of indices. Root x, x raised to half. Root x के लिए लिखेंगे x raised to half. We know that. If you get x root x further in future, what do you write? It is x raised to 1 into x raised to half. Root x is x raised to half. Here you have a multiplication sign. So by laws of indices, x raised to 1 plus half. Now 1 plus half is x raised to 3 by 2. Look again, I'll explain. X root x means x raised to 1 into x raised to half. Laws of indices apply करने के बाद x raised to 1 plus half. Now 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So remember this as a direct formula in future, especially in the 12th standard, that if you get x root x, you are allowed to write directly as x raised to 3 by 2. Similarly, if you get x squared root x, it is x squared into x raised to half. Root x is x raised to half. So that is x raised to 2 plus half. 2 plus half कितना है friends? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, x raised to 5 by 2. So, 3 things to be remembered. Root x is x raised to half. X root x is x raised to 3 by 2. X squared root x is x raised to 5 by 2. ये convert किया. क्यों convert किया? We'll see. Because we don't want terms in all the terms with respect to root x and all. We want x raised to n. Now take all in the numerator, all terms of x in the numerator. So when x goes in the numerator, it goes as x raised to minus half. This goes as x raised to minus 3 by 2. This goes as x raised to minus 5 by 2. No rocket science in that. Now differentiate with respect to x. So after converting and taking all the terms in the numerator, differentiate with respect to x, meaning find the derivative of each term. Differentiation means to find the derivative of each term with respect to x. So how do you find the derivative? Simply write d by dx everywhere. So d by dx of y. Now remember one rule. Constant को बाजू को रखना है. d by dx of x raised to minus half. Constant aside. Derivative of the function. Constant बाहर. d by dx of x raised to minus 3 by 2. Constant 6 outside. d by dx of x raised to minus 5 by 2. So that is the basic rule, that whatever constant is there, take it outside and then write d by dx of what remains inside. That is one of the important rules of derivative. Now which formula? ये convert q किया, numerator में q लिया, because everywhere I am getting the formula x raised to n, x raised to n. d by dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. n सामने आता है x raised to n minus 1. So based on this, see x raised to n here, x raised to n here, x raised to n here. सब जगह पे x raised to n का फॉर्मूला भी मैं यूज करने वाला हूँ. Let's see how. d by dx of y, everywhere we get dy by dx. writing a bit smaller because it should fit over here most of the things. So 2 को बाहर लिया, उसको कुछ मत करो. d by dx of x raised to n, फॉर्मूला क्या है? n comes in front. Here n is x raised to n is minus half. Okay, so what does the formula say? n comes in front, x raised to n minus 1. तो यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? Minus half comes in front, x raised to minus half minus 1. Simple. Everywhere. That is the reason that we have converted into x raised to n and brought it in the numerator. So that everywhere I am going to use the formula for x raised to n. Similarly here, observe carefully. Plus, तो ये एक टर्म हो गई है. Plus 4. Constant aside, derivative of x raised to minus 3 by 2. Again x raised to n. What will happen? N comes in front. X raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 1. As simple as that. N can be negative, n can be fraction, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Minus 1 करना है ऊपर. Plus 6 into. क्या बोलो अभी? Minus 5 by 2 comes in front, x raised to minus 5 by 2 minus 1. तो सब जगह पे आई हैव यूज्ड द फॉर्मूला n x raised to n minus 1. n नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव, फ्रैक्शन है तो फ्रैक्शन. ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया, वी हैव यूज्ड दैट फॉर्मूला. नाउ लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई. इक्वल टू, starting from here, 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 into minus half minus 1. No, I'll just show here. 2 is the LCM. Minus 1 minus 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 by 2. Plus 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Okay. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So I won't write plus, I will write minus 6. X raised to 2 is the LCM. Minus 3 minus 1 into 2. I'm doing it orally. Minus 5 by 2. हो गया? ये एक ब्रैकेट हो गई. ठीक है. यहां पे क्या है? 2 3s are 6. 3 into minus 5 minus 15. बराबर है? Minus 15. X raised to minus 5 minus 1 into 2 minus 7 by 2. Practice these laws of indices और addition subtraction LCM find out करना. This is over. This is our answer, but in CET sometimes you have to convert into the answers or options that they have given. So let's see how to do that. This option was not given. So how do we convert now? I'll show you here. इसका काम तो हो गया है. Just take this in the denominator. नेगेटिव इंडेक्स में आंसर नहीं रखना. X raised to minus 3 by 2 comes in the denominator. Minus 6 ऊपर है. X raised to minus 5 by 2 comes in the denominator. Minus 15, keep it in the numerator. Take this in the denominator as x raised to 7 by 2. Now friends, the interesting thing was, this option was also not given. So let's do one thing and again use the basic laws of indices which you have studied. X raised to 3 by 2 if you can be written as, अभी उल्टा जाने का है यहाँ पे, x root x. Okay, remember certain formula now. X raised to 3 by 2 is x root x. I will write the final answer in terms of with a red pen. X raised to 5 by 2, x squared root x. Why? I have explained here. Go back again and see. Laws of indices use करो, perfect हो जाओ. So x raised to 5 by 2, x squared root x. X raised to 7 by 2 I haven't shown over here, but you can guess. 5 by 2 के ऊपर अगर if you get x raised to 7 by 2, what will it be? X squared के ऊपर x cube root x. So I will just show you how. See, उल्टा करेंगे. X cube root x. X raised to 3 into x raised to half. Root x is x raised to half. Laws of indices. 3 plus half. 2 is the LCM. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1. X raised to 7 by 2. Therefore, x raised to 7 by 2 can be written as x cube root x. Right? Isn't it interesting? So this option was given finally for CET. This option was given. So this is our answer. Okay? I'm sure you are finding it interesting. Jara practice karo derivatives ki. More than that, get used to certain laws of indices, certain terms. Right? I think it is a 12 to 13 minute video today. So we'll stop here. Derivatives के और videos बनाने हैं मुझे. Bye. See you.